In a bright, perfectly organized kitchen, Alex stands staring into his wallet. Only one lonely coin glints back at him. His eyebrows tightened in confusion. So why does it already feel gone? Sitting in his office chair, he studies a wall calendar covered in red circles and question marks. Every date seems to whisper, "You missed something." From above, we see him slumped over a desk, buried in bills. His phone, his wallet casts. Long shadows, and within those shadows, something small and sneaky moves, quietly taking coin after coin. Then it hits him. On his computer screen, glowing words appear in BC Blickspence. Here are the 4 hidden expenses silently draining your paycheck every month. First and forgotten, subscriptions, streaming services, music apps, premium tools, that gym membership you barely use. Each one feels small, but together, they're like tiny hands reaching into your pocket, pulling out coins while you scroll. Second, convenience fees and small charges, service fees, admin fees, instant delivery costs. The numbers look harmless, but they're consistent, like a grinning little imp that takes a coin every time you tap your card. Third, impulse buying disguised as deals. Buy one, get one free. Flas Salis. Limited offers. Your cart fills up, but did you actually need any of it? Fourth, a lifestyle that doesn't match your goals. Unused gadgets, wasted electricity, items collecting dust. It's not about denying yourself joy. It's about choosing intentionally and putting impulsive items back on the shelf. Then, stop. He became aware. Later, sitting at his organized desk with a colorful budget spreadsheet, his wallet isn't empty anymore. It's because he's back in control. Sometimes, you just need to fix the small leaks you can't see. It's about how aware you are of where it goes.